One of the things with dairying is, whilst you might produce a lot of milk, you produce a lot more slurry, which is a useful fertiliser. Using anaerobic digestion produces a much better product for you to use on the land. And by the way, you also then get power generation alongside it. The biodigestate that you get out is a much more homogeneous material than the raw slurry that's gone in.
So BioFactory are a company based here in Somerset, not far from our Southwest Dairy Development Centre. They are an anaerobic digestion company, and they are seeking to produce a scalable, affordable, small-scale on-farm anaerobic digestion solution.
We're all pretty well aware that cows produce methane. Methane's very damaging to the environment, and so what we're doing with this system is we're capturing a lot of this methane that would be emitted from standard slurry storage practices. We accelerate that process through putting it through our system. Anaerobic digestion is essentially the decomposition of organic matter in an environment without oxygen, and it will break down into a nutrient-rich kind of compost or fertilizer and biogas, which is the main kind of use for anaerobic digestion.
The product has been specifically designed for the average dairy farmer, those dairy farmers that are sort of at the forefront of dairy farming in the UK, but just unable to afford what large-scale AD used to be. It's been great to have met the Agri-EPI team and to have their support in this collaboration.
Agri-EPI Centre have helped BioFactory in their journey by assisting them with applying for grant funding. They successfully applied for some Innovate funding, and as part of that we're offering technical assistance. Through Agri-EPI Centre's commercial links, we're also helping to put them in touch with potential funders and project developers to help them find the market niche for their project and to start selling it to industry.
There's a good opportunity for a lot of farms to be able to have a manageable AD plant on their farm which deals just with the slurry from their dairy herd. And that's where this project's interesting, in making it a modular system so that, you know, if you grow your herd, you can add on another cell to your system. Agri-EPI's role in finding technologies in other industries and bringing them into agriculture and facilitating that, and I really see that as a very exciting aspect of what we're doing.
I think this is really going to fit in well with current legislation on restrictions on slurry. I think it's come at a really good time. It's just got dairy farmer written all over it, I think.
To find out more about BioFactory and our micro AD farm system, please get in touch or visit our website.
To find out how Agri-EPI Centre can assist you with developing your new agri-tech products and how we can help with our range of research facilities and assets, please visit our website or get in touch today.